Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our English course. In today's video, we'll start with a simple and useful dialogue set in a supermarket. This will help you get familiar with common products and how to ask for information in English. After the dialogue, we'll go over some key vocabulary points encountered in this video. So, let's get started.
Excuse me, can you help me find the peanut butter?
Of course. The peanut butter is in aisle 5, right next to the bread.
Thank you. Also, do you have any organic apples?
Yes, we do. The organic apples are in the produce section, over there by the entrance.
Great. I'll head over there. And one last thing. Where can I find the pasta?
The pasta is in aisle 3, near the canned tomatoes and sauces.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. If you need anything else, just let me know.
Now that we've gone through the dialogue at the supermarket, let's take a closer look at some useful vocabulary we encountered in the video.
Aisle. Bread.
Apple. Entrance. Canned tomato. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you soon with new videos. Take care.